Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be teaching you standard 9th maths first chapter number 2 real numbers. My dear students, in previous chapter number 1 you have seen what is natural number, whole numbers, integers and rational number, and after the rational number in this chapter we will see real numbers. So please pay attention the definition of real numbers. Okay, look at the board please. See here. Second chapter real numbers definition. A real number is any number found on number line. So my dear friends, in short I will describe you, I will explain you every number will be real number. So please pay attention because whole number, natural number, integer and rational numbers, every number will be considered as a real number. Only the imaginary number will be unreal number. Okay, see here. Almost any number you can think of is a real number. Every number is a real number. Symbol of real number is capital R. Okay, so real number is denoted by capital R. Okay, examples of real numbers. This is positive number or natural number. This is integer. This is decimal. This is rational number, and this is pi value 3.14. So my dear students, in short you should remember always every number is a real number, and only at the same time the imaginary numbers are the unreal numbers. The imaginary numbers, what is imaginary numbers? Which can't be expressed on number line, जिन्हें नंबर लाइन पर प्रेजेंट एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया जा सकता, उस नंबर को इमेजिनरी नंबर कहा जाता है. सो इज इट क्लियर? एवरी नंबर इज अ रियल नंबर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्लासिफाई और differentiate the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. Do you remember in 8th standard you have solved this kind of questions, which is terminating and which is non-terminating? A rational number, a given rational number, if it is completely divisible by the denominator, then it will be considered as a terminating. Okay, and if the given rational number, if it is not terminating completely, and the answer will come reoccurring, recurring, बार बार वही आएगा, so it will be considered as a non-terminating recurring. Do you remember 8th standard questions? Now see here, 13/5 is a rational number. Yes, because it is in the fractional form. So some students, they can solve like this also. See, 13/5. I can divide, simplify. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. How much remain? 3. So in 5 times table 3 does not come. So I will increase 1 0. It will become 30. So 5 6 are 30. This decimal point of this 0, you increase this 0. Therefore you have given this decimal point. Is it clear? So you can solve like this also. It is completely divisible. But some students, they are habitual of this. You can use like this. See, 5 is the denominator and 13 is a numerator. You can use 5 times table to divide 13. It is a divisor and this is a dividend. 5 in 5 times table 13 comes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 will not okay. 5 twos are 10. So I will use 5 twos are 10. 13 minus 10, 3 remain. In 5 times table 3 can come? No. Therefore I will increase this 0. ये increase हमने बढ़ाया, ये 0 हमने increase किया, हमने बढ़ाया, ये 0 बढ़ा, इसलिए यहाँ पर decimal point आया. Is it clear? Okay. Once you will give decimal point, again and again you should not give decimal point. Once you increase 0, you can increase 0 as if the number gets terminating. Okay. So in 5 times table 30 can come. 5 6 are 30. So it is, the remainder is 0. It means 13/5, a rational number, is completely divisible and the answer is 2.6. Therefore it is a terminating. Is it clear? You can solve like this, you can solve like this also, no problem. Now look at here, what is second question. It is also rational number 2/11. Okay, so here 11 is a prime number. Look at here. So I will read 11 times table. In 11 times table 2 can come? No. So 11 zeros are 0. So 2 will come as it is. Yes. Now you will increase this 0. You will increase this 0. That's why you have given this decimal point. आपने ये 0 बढ़ाया, इसलिए यहाँ पे decimal point दिया. Is it clear? So now 11 times table में 20 comes, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So you will take 11 ones are 11. So 20 minus 11 9 will remain. 11 के टेबल में 9 आएगा, नो. फिर अगेन यू विल इंक्रीज द जीरो. एक बार जीरो बढ़ाया तो जीरो बढ़ा सकते, डेसिमल पॉइंट एक ही बार दिया जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो 11 8s are 88. So how much remain? 90 minus 88 2. Here also I can stop my answer because repetition occur. Repetition हो गया, but I have just check it out. मैंने आगे से चेक किया है कि क्या आंसर वही आ रहा है बार बार. Okay, so can you see here 0.18. So 18 above there is a bar. It means what? This 18 will come bar. So 2 upon 11, a rational number will not completely divisible. Therefore, it is non-terminating recurring number. It is clear. We have done this kind of question in 8th standard. I hope you understood. Now, look at here. What is third question? 29 upon 16. It is a rational number. Okay. 16 tables. If you have learned, it is okay. If you have not learned it, if you don't know, you have to write it alongside. आपको उसके बाजू में लिखना है. Is it clear? Now, see 16. You have to read 16 times table till 29 comes. 16 ones are 16. How much left? 13. 16 times table में 13 can come? No. So I will increase this 0. ये 0 बढ़ाया गया. ये 0 बढ़ाया गया, इसलिए ये डेसिमल पॉइंट दिया गया. Is it clear? If you have increased this 0, then you have to give this decimal point. Is it clear? Now it is 30. So what is 30 here? See 16 8s are 128. 16 8s are 128. So answer came 130 minus 128 2. Okay. 16 times table में 2 can come? No. So I will increase this 0 again. Okay, so it will be 20. So 16 ones are 16. Okay, now 20 minus 16 4. 16 times table में 4 can come? No. I will increase this 0. हमने बढ़ाया. Okay, so 16 3s are 48. 16 2s are 32. So 48 is okay? No. 32 is okay? Yes. So 16 2s are 32. Is it clear? Now 40 minus 32 is 8. So 16 times table 8 can come? No. I will increase this 0. ये 0 हम बढ़ा रहे हैं बार बार. Is it clear? So 16 5s are 80. Can you see here? 16 5s are 80. So this remainder is 0. Once the remainder is 0, it means the given rational number is completely divisible by its denominator 16. Say denominator 16 से 29 completely divisible हो गया. So therefore 29 upon 16 is equals to 1.8125. It is a terminating. Why? Because the remainder is 0. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we have done question number 1 2 3. 4 and 5 is reduced from your syllabus. Okay, now we will move to question number 2. Same like this only, but it is not mentioned कि आपको ऐसा ही करना है. Whichever is easy method to you, you can solve. See here, write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Okay, you can divide it like this also, but I had make here simplify. Try to understand. You can solve like this, you can solve like this, you can simplify also. Okay, see, at unit place here is 7, at unit place here is 0. So this is even number and this is odd number. So what you will do first? Can I expand 200? See here, 2. Can I factorize 200? 2 multiply by 100. It is 200, right? So now I will divide it by this 127. I will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 1 remain. I will increase 0. So 2 5s are 10. What is the answer? 63.5 upon 100. Now I don't want this decimal point. ये decimal point मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So what you will do? This decimal point you will kick out. आप इस decimal point को kick करेंगे. So after one digit decimal point is here, right? So that one digit 10 will increase down. Yes, it means you will multiply the denominator by 10. Okay, आपने इस 100 को multiply by 10 किया. It means you have increased 10, right? So it is 635 upon 1000. 1000 has how many zeros? 3. So 1 2 3.0. The answer will come after 3 digit. The answer will decimal point will come. Is it clear? I hope you understood this. 63.5, ये पॉइंट आपने हटाया इसलिए 0 नीचे बढ़ गया, डिनोमिनेटर 0 बढ़ गया, इट मींस यू हैड मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर बाय 10. okay, 10 has 1 0, so now this is 1000 and this 1000 has 3 zeros, so decimal point will come from here. यहां से 3 डिजिट के बाद decimal point will come. Is it clear? Now see question number 2, 25 upon 99. Dear students, if you don't know the table of 99, you have to write like this table alongside. आपको इस तरह का टेबल उसके बाजू में लिखना पड़ेगा. But it is very easy to solve here. 99 ones are 99, 99 twos are 198. Okay, now see here. 99 के टेबल में 25 can come? No. So 99 zeros are 0. 25 will come as it is. Now 99 के टेबल में 25 will not come, इसलिए आप ये 0 बढ़ाएंगे. You will increase this 0, right? ये 0 बढ़ाया इसलिए डेसिमल पॉइंट आया. So it is 250 now. Okay, so 99 twos are 198. How much left over? 52. कितने बचेंगे? 52. 99 के टेबल में 52 आएंगे? No. So you will increase this 0. ये 0 बढ़ाएंगे. ये 0 बढ़ाए. Okay, so it is 520. Okay, so now 99 fives are 495. So you have to write 495. This is, you can see, 10 minus 5 5, 11 minus 9 is 2. So this is 4 minus 4 0. So 25 repetition occurs. See 25 फिर से आ गया. You can stop your answer. It means 25 upon 99 is equals to 0.25 bar. It means 0.25 bar. Sorry, it is not 25, it is 25. 0.25 bar. It will come bar reoccurring. That is why it is non-terminating recurring number. Is it clear? Now see here question number 3, 23 upon 7. I have solved some hint. You will solve the further. This will be homework to you. See 7 3s are 21. 2 will remain. 7 के टेबल में 2 can come? No. इसलिए ये 0 बढ़ाए. 0 बढ़ाए इसलिए decimal point will come. So it is 20. 7 2s are 14. Now how much will remain? 20 minus 14? 6. Okay, 7 time में 6 comes? No. Increase 0. Now like this you have to solve further. I hope you understood terminating, non-terminating. Now dear students, we will see practice set 2.1 question number 3. It is very important. So please look at the board. It is very important question. See, what is question number 3? Write the following rational numbers in P upon Q form. It is a rational number. Okay, so we have to write this number in rational form, that is P upon Q. It means answer should come in a rational form. Okay, very simple. Just please look at, please pay attention. I will consider it first. Let x is equals to, what is this meaning of this dot? इस dot का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है 6 is recurring. It means 6 is coming. 6 digit is coming बार again and again. So it is what I will write 0.666 blah 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 बार. Yes or no? What is this meaning of this 6 and this recurring symbol? It is 0.6666, which we can write like this. जिसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 0.6 recurring. Yes or no? Yes. In short, let x is equals to, इसको expand करना है 0.6666 और इसी का शॉर्ट ये है, ये 0.6 बार recurring. Is it clear? इसका मतलब 6 बार आ रहा है. Okay. Now what I will do, यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट कब है? यहाँ से एक नंबर के बाद, यहाँ से एक नंबर के बाद. Okay, after one digit. So I will multiply both the sides, this and this, by 10. अगर एक डेसिमल पॉइंट है तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई. अगर दो नंबर के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट होगा तो 100 से. अगर 3 नंबर के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट होगा तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Is it clear? Now see here. By multiplying both the sides by 10. Why 10? Because here decimal point is after one digit. Okay, एक डिजिट के बाद ही decimal point है. Okay, so I will multiply this by 10, this. Okay, so this 10x are 10x. So this will be my first. Okay, now this will become 10x. Now if you will multiply this by 10, So what will happen? This 6 will come here, this 6 will come here, and this 0 will go out. How? Look at here, 0.666. Okay, if you will multiply it by 10, so what will happen? It will 0 6, okay, 666, like this will come. So 0.6 means how much? It is 6.666 only. Is it clear? Now what will be the answer of this? 6 point, मैं इसे शॉर्ट में कैसे लिखूंगा बताओ? How I will write in short? 6.6 recurring. This is my second answer. Is it clear? I hope you understood. Please pay attention again. This was the question, 0.6 recurring bar. It means I had considered let x is equals to 0.6 bar means 0.666. Okay, आगे है cannot be determined. इसे शॉर्ट में, इसको शॉर्ट में कैसा लिखेंगे आप? इस तरह से 0.6 बार. तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट आंसर है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ डेसिमल पॉइंट 1 डिजिट आफ्टर था, इसलिए आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द साइड्स बाय 10. अगर 2 डिजिट के बाद होता तो 100 से. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल राइट इट इज, इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किए तो आंसर 10x, इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किए तो आंसर क्या होगा? ये डेसिमल पॉइंट एक और उधर जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. इज इट क्लियर? सो 0.6 means how much? 6 only. Okay, so this answer will be 6.666 recurring is equal to 6. इसको कैसे लिखेंगे शॉर्ट में? 6.6 recurring. Is it clear? Now you will subtract 1 from second. Subtracting 1 from second. Why? Second one is the bigger. ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. So what you will do? Subtracting first from second. So what is your second? First you will write 10x. This is 10x and this is x. 10x minus x is equals to this is. So you will take this answer directly. You will take this answer. So you will say 6.6 minus 0.6. Okay. See here what I am writing it like this. This is ये first. This is second. Okay. So second में से first minus करना है. This 10x minus x. सेकेंड में से फर्स्ट माइनस करना है. 10x minus x is equals to 6.6 recurring minus 0.6 recurring. So answer will be, this answer will be 0.6 minus 0.6. Is it clear? 6 minus 0.6. So what will be the answer? Therefore 10x minus 9x, 10x minus x 9x is equals to, इसका आंसर क्या आया? 6 minus 0 means 6. So now here it is 9 multiplied by x. So x is equals to 6 upon 9. This is multiply. 9 will go there, it will divide. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So answer will come 2 upon 3. Is it clear? So you will write, now at last you will mention the main answer. That is, therefore 0.6 bar is equals to x, and that x is equals to 2 upon 3. Is it clear? I hope you understood the answer. Now see this question, 0.37 bar. It means 37 bar will come bar. 37 will come bar. Yes. So you will write let. First you will write like this. Let x is equals to this. You will expand. So खोलेंगे आप. तो कैसे होगा? 0.37 बार. Yes, इसका मतलब क्या है? 37 will come बार. So how you will write in short? आप इसको शॉर्ट में कैसा लिखेंगे? ऐसे. Okay, so you will write 0.37 bar. This is your first answer. Okay, now what you will do? First you will observe कि यहाँ से कितने डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है? 2 डिजिट के बाद. यहाँ पर 1 डिजिट के बाद था, so you had multiplied by 10. यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट के बाद है, so you will multiply it by 100. So what I will say? By multiplying both the sides, this and this by 100. Why 100? Because here it is decimal point is after 2 digits. Is it clear? So now I will multiply this by 100. So it will be 100x is equals to. Now this answer is there 0.3737 blah blah blah. Okay, it will come, cannot be determined. You are multiplying by 100. आप किससे multiply कर रहे हैं? 100 से. तो कितने डिजिट यहाँ पर जाएंगे? 37 2 digits यहाँ पर जाएंगे. Is it clear? Now look at here, it will be 37.3737. Is it clear? इस 100 ने यहाँ के 2 डिजिट को किक किया, वो यहाँ पर आया. यहाँ के 10 ने यहाँ के 1 डिजिट को किक किया, इसलिए वो यहाँ पर आया. Is it clear? It means this 6 will come here. Okay, and यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? ये 37 will come here because ये 100 से multiply. यहाँ पे 10 से, इसलिए 1 digit will come here. यहाँ पे 100 से, इसलिए 2 digits will come here. So how you will write it? अब आप इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? किसी नंबर के before, 0 before any number is nothing. So it is 37.3737 बार. So this you can write. This you will write in short. इसको short में कैसा लिखेंगे आप? 37.37 बार. ये होगा आपका सेकेंड आंसर. Is it clear? Now which is bigger? Second हमेशा बड़ा होगा first से. So what we will do? Subtracting first from second. So second में से first subtract करेंगे. So what is second? 100x minus x. Okay, ये 100x minus x. अब ये लेना है आपको, ये और ये. It means you will subtract 37.37 बार. Then point below point के नीचे ही point होना चाहिए 0.37 बार. You have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract. So this will be 0. Point के नीचे point. 37 minus 0 will be 37. So what is the answer? Therefore I will write 100x minus x. 100x में से एक x गया, कितना बचा? 99x is equals to 37.00 means 37. Therefore I will write x is equals to, what is the relation between these two? 99 multiplied by x. So 99 will go there, it will divide it. So this is your answer. Therefore I will write 0.37 bar is equals to x, and x is equals to 37/99. This is my answer. And the question number 3, the third question will be homework to you. Is it clear? Third question will be homework to you. You have to solve. What is the third question here? 3.17 bar. This will be your question, your homework. I hope you understood. Best of luck and thank you so much.